Hello and welcome to Glow with Priya. These are 10 face yoga moves you can practice every morning to wake up and rejuvenate your face. Let's start with breathwork. 2 deep inhales from the nose, 1 exhale from the mouth. Let's go. Next, full face tapping. Be gentle, make sure your face is clean and your hands are clean. Center to side, center to side. At the temples, move to your ring fingers. Gently start tapping around your eyes. Make the circle smaller and the tapping gentler, and you can do this 3 to 5 times. 4 fingers. Start tapping all over your cheeks, around the mouth, clock, anti-clock, chin, gently under, all the way down to your chest, up the jawline, side of the neck, out to your shoulder blades. Now let's stimulate lymphatic drainage. Collarbone, a slight depression, gentle pumping action. Do this for about 5 to 10 seconds. Be gentle. Under the ears, this might feel slightly sore, gentle pumping action. Sides, just where the jawline meets the neck, gentle pumping. Sides of the nose. Now the ear rub. 2 fingers, front and back of the ear. Gentle rubbing up and down, up and down. Do this for about 10 seconds. You can really feel that heat being generated. Forehead strokes 20 times. Gentle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Gentle eye squeezes. 10 forward, 10 while looking up. Fingers on the side. Gently squeeze your eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rub your palms. Cup your eyes. Pop. Upwards. Fingers under on either side of the nose. Look up 45 degrees. Don't raise your forehead. Gentle squeezes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The air puff gargle. Make sure that you are not creating any furrows on your upper lip. So the air should be focused more up. Now gargle. Mm. Mm. Mm, 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 mm. Followed by the tongue roll inside the mouth, 5 clock, 5 anti-clock. the lion. Looks funny, but is fantastic to wake up those sleepy face muscles. Inhale, exhale 5 times. Kiss the sky. Hands on your collarbone. Gently raise your neck till you can feel that stretch. Purse your lips and let's kiss 20 times. And lastly, full face pinching. Remember to pinch downwards and inwards. You're not tugging anything out and you're not going to hurt or bruise yourself. Just a gentle pinching action to get that blood flowing to the surface of your skin. It feels absolutely fantastic. Pinch along the jawline. Spend a little more time on your cheeks. Very gently take 2 fingers. Pinch under the eyes very gently, all the way to the temples. A nice relaxing pinching action on your brows. Maybe a little bit on the forehead. And don't forget your neck. Try to cover the entire neck muscle. And you are done. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Do show me some love by sending me a comment below. Ask me whatever questions you may have and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more.